You're all bundled up.
Huh?
You're all bundled up.
It's windy up here. Now hold this.
Hold what?
The ladder.
What are you doing? For sure that's not required. Hey, good morning from Rolling Country Outdoors. We're up here on the patio cover, trying to put gutter guards on it. So Ann is up here with the drill driver, and I've got the gutters guards. We're gonna get them installed, and she's gonna put the screws in and take screws out for us. Yep, that's all you gotta do. I'll go get some more.
So is it just going through the metal?
Oh, just hold it in.
This one doesn't want to go in. It's hitting right in the middle of a...
Just you'll have to use it to drive it in.
I don't have it. It's hitting a... Ready?
There's already a hole.
I know.
Where's your blower?
To you. It's getting hot on here. Shoot. It don't like me, dear.
I got it.
Huh?
I'll get it.
It doesn't want to go all the way in. Nope. They don't like me.
What's it doing?
It's like stopping. I don't know. Unless you want to try.
Well, yeah, let's...
Or just finish this end and we'll come back. Am I in the right spot? Blind your son?
I'm just marking it.
Oh. You're... Got it? Got it.
Just go right past there, actually.
That's usually what you do. If it'll fit. Will it fit on it? This one didn't like me. Did it go in?
Yeah.
Okay, then that's it. They're gonna stay.
Yeah.
Got it. Now I gotta figure out how to put these lights back.
You could hook them on here.
Well, I will, but I gotta figure out.
We are getting the yard cleaned up a little bit, just trying to get some of these leaves blown around before winter sets in, and they're all wet and nasty, you can't get rid of them. But using the mower to kind of blow stuff around, clean it up, mulch it. we got all this area cleaned up, mulched up. Hopefully for the last time this fall going into winter. I got a little bit over here too. Man, that wind is blowing today. I don't know if you can hear it in my mic, but when you look at the trees, they are moving. Look at that tree. Supposed to be 45-mile-an-hour winds today. Got this all cleaned up in here. This is the old bank barn. And we got all this area cleaned up over here. We got all the gutter guards on today. There's still a little bit left behind, but we'll get the blower out here and blow these up. But looks a lot better than it did. Well, I think this is where I'm going to end today's video. Didn't get quite as much done as I hoped to, but you know, that's how it goes. We got the gutter guards on, and we got the yard cleaned up a little bit. It's middle of November, and it was supposed to be, I think, mid-50s today, but that wind is chilly, about 45-mile-an-hour wind, so it was a little bit chilly, but not bad for a November day. Anyway, I think that's where we're going to end this video. Thanks for watching. Please take the time to hit the like button down there and share my videos if you don't mind. I'd love to be able to grow this channel. I think last I checked I had 71 subscribers, so hopefully one day we'll have a whole lot more than that. But I enjoy doing these and enjoy chatting with you. Please send me an email or chat down below, or message down below, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take care. Have a good evening.